Welcome to Learn with Cynthia. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to convert decimals to fractions. So we have a couple of examples here. We need to work together. So I want you to pay attention, get your notebook, and follow through every step we need to take. So one thing we need to understand is that we need to think of what place value does the decimal ends. So when you know the place value of the last digits after the decimal, we can determine our denominator. So for number 1, we have 0.4. So the last digits here is the number after the decimal is 4, but the place value for 4 is 10. So our fraction is going to be 4 over 10. So it's going to be 4 over 10. So what that means is 0.4 equivalent fraction is 4 over 10. But then we need to simplify the fraction. The common factor for 4 and 10 is 2. So we need to divide. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the fraction equivalent for 0.4 is 2 over 5, or 2/5. Let's carefully work on example 2. So we have 0.8, and then we said we need to pay attention to the place value of the decimal. So the place value for 8 is 10. So our fraction is going to be 8 over 10. Why is 10 our denominator? 10 is our denominator because the place value for 8 is tenths. So we need to simplify the fraction. 2 is a common factor. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the equivalent fraction for 0.8 is 4 over 5. So example 3, we have 2.45. So what does that mean? 2 is the whole number because the number before decimal is a whole number. 2 is a whole number, then 4. Then the last digits here is 5. So the place value for 5 is hundredths. So our decimal is going to be 100. So we write our 45 as our numerator, and then our denominator is 100. Why? Because the last digit after the decimal is 5, and the place value for 5 is hundredths. So we need to simplify our fraction. So our whole number stays the same. 45 and 100. 5 is a common factor. So 45 divided by 5 is 9. And then 100 divided by 5 is 20. So the fraction equivalent for 2.45 is 2 whole number 9 over 20. So I want you to pause this video and practice the few examples left. Feel free to play the video whenever you think you've gotten your answers. So for example 4, we have 0.25. Remember, we need to pay attention to the place value of the last decimal number. So here is 100. So it's going to be 25. Our decimal is 100 because of the place value of the last number and digit. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. And then 100 divided by 5 is 20. So we need to reduce the fraction again. 5 divided by 5 is 1. And 5 divided by 20 is 4. So the fraction equivalent for 0.25 is 1/4, 1 over 4. Example 5, we have 9 as the whole number, 5 as our numerator, over 10. Why is it 10? Because the place value for 5 here is 10, so it's going to be 10 as the denominator, so we have to reduce the fraction. We have our 9 whole number. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. So let's jump into the last example. We have 0.625. So the place value for 5 here is thousandths. So we have tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So it's going to be 625 over 1000. So we need to simplify. This is a very big fraction. We need to simplify it. 5 divided by 625 is 125. Then 5 divided by 1000 is 200. We still need to simplify this. 5 divided by 125 is 25. And 200 divided by 5 is 40. We still need to simplify this. 5 divided by 5, 25 divided by 5 is 5, and 40 divided by 5 is 8. So the answer to 0.625 as a fraction is 5 over 8. I'm sure your answers were correct. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sure we now know how to convert decimal to fraction. So don't forget to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.